So what is Google Gemini? Gemini for Education is an AI, artificial intelligence, powered tool integrated into the Google Workspace for Education that aims to enhance teaching and learning. It offers a wealth of features to help teachers. How do you access it? Go to your Google Waffle and look for the Gemini app. Click on that app and it will take you right to the home screen for Gemini. It's a nice, simple, straightforward background, and all it will ask you to do now is to start by entering a prompt. Now, prompting is something that is very important because you can do something as simple as provide ideas on water scarcity. And you'll see it's going to give me some ideas. Technological innovations, policy and governance solutions. So I'm now trying to get some information to build a lesson or a unit for my 12th grade social studies class. So this is a great start, but this is a lot of information. So with prompting, you want to make sure that you are as specific and provide enough detail in your prompt to get the best results. You want to use natural language and basically speak to Gemini as you would be asking a colleague for assistance as well. You can break down the complex tasks into smaller, more manageable prompts. And you want to make sure you provide context and use relevant keywords to help Gemini understand your request. So for example, I may now want to ask Gemini to help me brainstorm ideas to cover for a 12th grade class on the topic of water scarcity. So now I'm breaking this down a little bit further. I'm giving it the grade level, and I want just the key concepts. Let's see what it does differently. So it's developing this information. It's saying, okay, for a 12th grade class, here are some key concepts to cover, designed to be comprehensive, engaging, and relevant to their lives and the world. So the nature of water and its availability, causes and drivers of water scarcity, impacts of water scarcity, solutions and strategies, case studies and local connections, ethical, social, and economic dimensions, and a call to action and future outlook. We'll dive deeper into using Gemini, but this is just your first introduction.